So you want to be a K-pop coverist. Oh my god, I was Casper White just then. So if you are a K-pop stan who wants to become a K-pop coverist and you don't really know where to start, you've come to the right video. Hi, welcome to MillyMilly. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I am going to be sharing some K-pop coverist hacks with you. In this particular video, I'm going to talk to you about essential pieces you need in your wardrobe in order to get started as a K-pop coverist. Before we get into the basic essential pieces that you need in your wardrobe, I'm going to go through all the pretty much basic girl group concepts that are possibilities for when it comes to the covers you'll make. Now this video is going to be girl group concept oriented, but if you'd like me to do a male group concept version of this, let me know down in the comments and I will get to it. But without further ado, let's go ahead and start. Hello.
Get it to fucking get there.
So the first concept I'm going to be covering is the cute concept. For a lot of cute concepts, you're going to see a lot of like fun pastel colors, maybe even a schoolgirl theme, lots of florals maybe. Basically anything that you can picture going with a cute concept. Pink is always safe, but a lot of the times it just depends on the song and the group and the overall theme of the song you're covering. Not all groups tend to stick to just pink. Sometimes they'll do pastels, or sometimes they'll do like really fun bright colors, which leads me to the next concept, which we're just gonna call the fun concept. So for a fun concept, you want to see lots of bright and bold colors. These fun concepts can expand anywhere from fun, unique pieces in your wardrobe to like a fresh pair of jeans and a nice tee or a pink. It's usually summer themed, so everything is bright and fresh. You might also see a variety of different fabrics, a variety of different patterns. Again, it all just depends on the group and the song. So next concept after that would be powerful. A powerful concept consists of like a girl crush theme usually. There's a lot of streetwear, there's a lot of leather involved, lots of like confident, empowering looks. And a lot of times they'll have very contradicting aspects, like contradicting fabrics. You'll have like lots of flowy pieces with like some fitted pieces, and from here on out gonna be very experimental because it's all about fashion. After powerful would be a badass. Badass is very heavy on girl crush. It is heavy on dark, fierce, sexy costumes. You might pair different clothings with each other and it might look crazy, but it's actually very fashion forward. It's very high end and very heavy on the accessories. So the more accessories, the better. Also, it's very reliant on hip hop theme. You might want like a lot of dark clothes for this. You might want like a lot of shiny accessories. Think queendom. Okay, so the next after that would be, I just realized my pets talk about aesthetics. So the next concept after badass would be scary. Very creepy, very eerily vibes. These type of concepts always have very clear color schemes. It's always red, black, white. It doesn't always have to go around that color scheme, but it's very partial to dark themes. There's also a large variation in fabrics. You want to use like velvets, you want to use like lace, you want to use leathers. They play around with like flowy, with fitted outfits. It's very diverse, but it's also a very clear, distinct look. So after scary, we have mystical / elegant. I wanted to put that together because it's basically the same thing. I mean, they're very self-explanatory. You just gotta be dreamy, very mystical, very magical, very elegant, very glamorous, you know? There's a lot of flowy pieces. There's a lot of whites and pastel. There may be kind of a business theme going on. Twice Can't Stop Me. There may be a lot of dresses involved, a lot of elegant dresses. There may be a lot of like fairy looking outfits. There may be a lot of boho styles. It's very diverse, but at the same time it's very distinct. These are the type of looks that have a great use of accessories. Okay, and then last but not least, we have sexy concepts. So sexy concepts are also very distinct. They're very mature, very revealing clothes, very form-fitting clothes. This is also a concept that is very partial to dark themes, so they also stick to like the red, black, white theme. So once again, it is very important to have those color schemes in your wardrobe. And a lot of times sexier concepts, they will have choreographies that are like directly related to their outfits. So you might have a very specific outfit piece in this concept. Okay, so with those 7 concepts in mind, I want to go ahead and get into the basic essential pieces in your wardrobe that you absolutely have to have if you want to start doing K-pop covers. These are pieces that you see consistently throughout every concept. These are staple pieces that you can build up, that you can layer, that you can use time and time and again in a cover. Starting off on number 1, you need black. You need black shorts, black leggings, anything black. Because when in doubt, there was always an all black stage. I'm just gonna go ahead and hang these here. So these are an example, oops, the fly is down, of some black bottoms that I consistently use for my covers. You can find these in pretty much almost every girl group cover I've ever done. I also have black skirt. These are great for schoolgirl themes, and these are great for like girl crush concepts. As you can see, there's a little hook here, so you can accessorize as you see fit. You have like chains, you can put a chain here. It's very streetwear. You also want to make sure that you have a basic black shirt. Basics are essential, okay? Just like essential workers. Hallelujah. Period, sis. The second essential piece you need in your wardrobe is white. You need white tops, you need white bottoms. I have these white shorts. I've also recently purchased some white jeans, some more white pieces. This one I have used, I think, more than once, and I'm about to use it again. This is my old reliable right here. This has come in handy a lot of times. Okay, the next basic essential you need in your wardrobe is something leather, because I guarantee you almost every girl crush concept, almost every badass concept, almost every fun concept, there's something leather. I have this piece right here. This is a perfect layering piece, or I can wear it by itself. I also have used a pair of leather leggings countless times in my K-pop covers. I had to throw them out. It was time to retire them. Adding on to that though, I forgot to mention, you need combat boots. They're so dusty. Combat boots and a pair of white boots. Trust me, for every black piece you have, make sure that you have a white one as well. Number 4 on my essential list, a white button-up. Hear me out. A lot of times, it's gonna be some kind of schoolgirl concept or businesswoman concept, and you're gonna need a nice, flowy white button-up. You can even style it with, you know, whatever this thing is called. And likewise, it's just good to have the white button-up just in case you have an interview. You got a job interview at 8 but a cover at 10. Okay, so number 5 on my list, combination items. So these are pieces that you can layer on top of, you know, just a basic top. This is a piece that I wore for Honga Chica and it slammed. And then this right here is also a layerable piece. Is that a word? And this includes, but is not limited to, bralettes, bustier type thing. That one that goes like underneath the boobs, but is like a halter thingy. Super hot. Vests. Are you catching my drift? These are things that are going to make your K-pop look more K-pop. Number 6 on my list is accessories. If you want to like spice up your look a little bit, accessories go a long way, honey. Just some accessories: buckle belts, visors, hats of all kinds, gloves of all kinds, detachable chain, and jewelry. I use a lot of costume jewelry because I can't afford real jewelry. You can get a lot of this at like Claire's and Hot Topic. Number 7, something plaid. If there's one thing I learned about styling in K-pop, is that there's always gonna be a stage with plaid. It's my plaid piece. These are my staple plaid piece. I have the skirt, numero 8, denim. Just like there's a lot of plaid in a lot of stages, there's also a lot of denim. I usually just use like a jean jacket, like you saw in my Chungha video, the very first one. You can't go wrong with denim. Number 9, you want something shiny and or elegant. So when I say elegant, I mean stuff like this and stuff like this. That's nice and flowy. When I say shiny, I mean stuff like this. That's like this. Or maybe even something sequined. So you want a unique piece in your wardrobe like that, which brings me to number 10, unique pieces. Every once in a while I suggest going shopping and just kind of looking for something that's like new, you know? Some pieces that I own, like this is a really obnoxious thing that I own. I wore it for my Pretty Savage cover. I haven't worn this yet. As you can see, it's pretty unique. Has a very deep V. You think it's like a blazer at the top, but then it goes to the middle and it's like a corset type of thing. Another tip for when you look for these unique pieces, make sure that they're also comfortable to wear when you dance in. That was not comfortable. And that is all for my list. A couple of honorable mentions I just want to include. Make sure you have a blazer. Every now and then there's gonna be like a businesswoman concept. You'll want a nice blazer and just a lot of colors too. Just make sure that you have something in every color. Costumes add so much to a K-pop cover. A lot of people that watch K-pop covers look for that. They want to see the outfits. They want to see what you come up with. Oh, also I have this like cropped long sleeve black turtleneck that I've also used a lot in covers. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope that this helped you in some kind of way. If it did, give this video a like and share with people you think will help as well. I don't do K-pop covers on this channel anymore. I now have a channel exclusively for that. So all of my dance videos, all of my K-pop covers, they're all gonna go up right here. So make sure to subscribe because I'm gonna be uploading some covers real soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. So until the next video, stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye bye.